passion, sensuality, sexuality. How juicy are those words? How juicy are those activities? Why do they come together? Sometimes people mistake sexuality for passion and passion for sexuality. My take on this is that passion is something that brings you alive, and the more that you come alive, the more senses are activated. I find this in the surf. If I have a surf, then I feel the beautiful water, the feel of the water, the feel of the movement of the water. I taste the salt. I smell the breeze coming off the water. My whole being is activated. The same is true for really good sex. Your whole being is activated. Your sense of sight, your sense of smell, your sense of taste, depending what you're doing, everything gets activated. So sex is really important for staying passionate in life, and passion is really important for sex. They're different. Passion for me is energy that brings you alive, and I don't have to explain to you what sex is. So make sure you really enjoy your sex life, really enjoy your passion, and good luck to you.